Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on RoboForm. So first off guys, we have to click on Try Personal. So first off we have to click on Add to Chrome to add the extension. Just give me a second here. So we just click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension, and let's wait a little bit for it to download. It is really light, just guys don't worry. You shouldn't think, oh, it won't download or something, because it's only 4 megabytes guys. It ain't. So we just have to click on sign up because we haven't made an account yet. Let's click on sign up. After that we will be redirected to the site. Here we have to enter our email. Be careful when writing in your email guys. I'm telling you that in every video, because you'll get quite surprised how many of these sites want an email verification guys. So our first and last name, it would be Net and Tech. Let's just create a password, create an account guys. I'm sorry. So now we're waiting for a few seconds, and here is our account. It's made successfully. Here's our Gmail and here's our password. I want to show it to you. And now we just going in our account here. So here we can have we can add everything in here, I guess. Additional permissions, read a list. Let's not give it. So here we can see Google, Amazon, PayPal, Personal. Let's add it Google. So the email may be I'm sorry guys, my mom does cooking at gmail.com, and the password then is mom, I don't wanna eat that. Here it is. Guys, I also recommend you, when you make an account, you can also every time just add 2 exclamation marks in the end, because it will make the password much harder. It always gives you that like sense of security, because not many people would like think, oh, this guy has 2 exclamation marks in the end of his password. But yeah guys, I just recommend you to do that. And after that we just click on save, and here it is guys. After that we just click on here, and here it is. Now we can, this is our Google account, but if you are logged out, it would just instantly try to log you in with this information. So here are logins, like we can log in whatever we want to, like we can here search to Google. I meant with 2 O's. Here is it, Google. This just also redirects us to a link. We also can add save notes here guys. Like if you'd like to add your Minecraft, like your Java account, it would be, you'd just add Minecraft. Like guys, I'm telling like if you can't like add right here Minecraft guys, here there isn't any Minecraft application or like Fortnite. I'm just making an example right now. So Minecraft account. This is your Minecraft account, and maybe your username is ASG Warrior 33. After that, you just put your password is 11 gold 2 exclamation marks, like, and you just save that, and you have your Minecraft account, guys. Here, after clicking on it, you just see your Minecraft account is ASU Warrior 33, and your password is 11 gold 2 exclamation marks. You can also see that you can share this, you can send this, you can open the file location, you can rename it, you can clone it, add to pin, delete, restore, on, or do anything and everything you'd like to do. You can sort it, you can filter it by popular, recently used, A to Z. You can also choose how would you like to see it, like square boxes, like a grid, or like a line. But right now I'm just going to show you the pricings. So just give me a quick second, and here is the pricing. So guys, there is personal and family plans and team and business plans. So let me just quickly get you through the personal and family plans. So there's the free plan, the premium plan, and the family plan. I think that right now we're using the premium plan, which is the most popular. They're giving us a 14 days free trial. So after 14 days you can but you will be forcefully switch to free account, but you can continue paying because it's only $1.99 per month, and it's built annually, so you just pay full price in once and then just pay 1 year later, guys. In my opinion, this is quite a good offer. You also have the family plan. You guys, I think that I don't think I offer you to see the amounts of perks that these plans have. Like the free plans do not have the access to all devices, web access, and all local only modes. But these two plans have these perks. You also have many different other perks, but they're not shown to you. But the more complicated things is for the teams and business plans. So for the teams and business plans, you can choose the amount of people that are going to use your company. Like for 1 to 10 users, you can buy a 1 year subscription for $39.95 per year. You also can buy a 3 year subscription for $33.95 per year, and a 5 year subscription you just get you get a 25% discount. For the 3 year you get a 15% discount. And yeah, guys, in my opinion, this is also a great, not opportunity, but just a well designed site to help you store your passwords and notes safely without losing them. And yeah, so that was it, guys, for the video. I wish you all guys a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.